we're going to do hip drops. So for hip drops, we're in basic position, and we're going to do what's called S arms. So I'm going to leave my right hand down, and I'm going to lengthen my left arm up with a slight curve so that I'm forming an S or a backward S, depending on which way you're facing, with my arms. So here's a sideways S, and here's a vertical S. We want to have a vertical S. The lower arm is framing our hip. Our right leg is going to come forward, and I'm going to step with the ball of my foot. Both knees are bent here. I'm going to squeeze my oblique, the side of my stomach muscle, my waist, and on the downbeat, I'm going to drop. I'm going to push that hip down, and that is a hip drop.